Hi everyone, today I'm not here to flex my PC setup, I'm here to confess my sins. This is the story of how I turned 2 GPUs into expensive paperweights in one afternoon. So 2 days ago, I finally got my hands on a used RTX 3090. Before it reached me, my friend already tested it. No smoke, no fire, life was good. Then the card arrived and I realized something very small, very innocent. Looking, I only had a 16-pin cable. The RTX 3090 needs 3 8-pin connectors. I had 2 and a dream. So I began my epic quest, finding the missing 8-pin cable. After searching my house, my drawers, my past mistakes, I made the smartest decision possible. I bought an entire new power supply. Yes, a whole PSU for one cable. I got home, my friends came over, we plugged everything in. The cables were seated, the GPU was locked in, we were ready. I pressed the power button and immediately we smelled it. That smell, the one that says something is burning and it's probably expensive. Then we saw smoke. At that point the PC refused to boot. And here's the fun part, my CPU is an F series, no integrated graphics, which means no display, no hope. So we took it to a repair shop. The technician tried my RTX 3090. Then we thought, okay fine, let's just put my old RTX 3070 back in. 2 GPUs were gone. The technician plugged in their own, the PC turned on instantly. At that moment, my soul left my body. To be fair, my RTX 3070 was also second hand. And yes, I may have abused it a little. Okay, a lot. Even though I mostly use a Mac, I still somehow managed to destroy 2 graphics cards in one day. So what did I do next? I did the only logical thing. I bought an RTX 5070. Total damage $1,600 in one day. So yeah, if there's one lesson here, buying used parts is fine, but cable management can financially ruin you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and double check your power cables before you summon the spirit of burnt silicon.